Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to fix Downgrade failed easy guide. Restart the device and enter recovery mode to reinstall the prior firmware immediately, then verify the file checksum and clear caches to avoid corrupted installs. I'll walk you through safe steps, simple checks, and what to do if the device still refuses to downgrade so you can get back to stable performance without stress. Gather the right files and tools so the downgrade goes smoothly. Make sure you download official firmware for your exact model and confirm the checksum to avoid corrupted installs. Back up your data to an external drive, charge the device above 50%, and use a reliable cable. I'll explain how to verify the firmware, create a safe restore point, and proceed step by step with confidence and calm. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and troubleshooting steps anywhere, which makes following tech guides much easier and more comfortable. It's lightweight and holds thousands of pages without draining your device. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Boot into recovery mode and follow the guided prompts to apply the firmware from external storage. Be patient and do not disconnect power or cables during flashing, and record any error codes if the process fails. If you hit an error, reboot and repeat the verified steps, or try an alternate USB port and cable. I'll cover common error codes and simple remedies so you can troubleshoot without panic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.